If you enjoy breathing clean air, you should care about kelp forests. They're one of the fastest growing organisms in the world.
A few years ago, these kelp forests stretched all up and down the Northern California coast, but they have been decimated. They are known as the redwoods of the ocean, and this is one of the last patches left.
If we lost 96% of the big trees in the Sierra, that would be devastating to us. That would be front page news every day.
Destruction that's occurring is worse than the fire that burned down my house and 10,000 other homes in Sonoma County.
The Northern California coast declared a disaster federally 4 years now. Things are changing. Fort Bragg, Northern California, maybe 5% of what we had.
Pretty much a wildfire happened.
The decline in the kelp has impacted, of course, our ability to fish, takes away our identity as a tribal person.
I was lucky enough to be able to transition over to restoration diving, and the pay was better than diving deep, and the risk was a lot lower, and I was benefiting more than just myself with a paycheck. I was benefiting the environment.
Kelp does need help, and the need has never been greater.